If it's setting up reservations for fireworks or for fast passes or for dining, we know that we can do that on the My Disney Experience app. But Disney did announce at the D23 Expo of 2019 this year that there is a new app coming out in the year of 2020, and the name is the Disney Genie.
All who come to this happy place, welcome.
Yes, you heard that. The Disney Genie from Aladdin, the Genie from Aladdin, You Got a Friend Like Me, he wants to be your friend on a new Disney app. Now, this app will help you plan your trip, but not only for us to plan our Disney vacation, the Disney Genie will plan your fast passes, your reservations while you're sleeping at your resort. It has that day planned off for you. If you don't like the way the Disney Genie has planned your day, then he can re-optimize that day and he can choose another thing like other fast pass, like selections, other dining reservations, or you can control everything on the Disney Genie, and he can tell you tips and tricks on when to ride Seven Dwarfs Mine Train in the morning, in the evening, or even when Happily Ever After is on, you can go ride Seven Dwarfs Mine Train for a 15 to 20 minute wait. That's how good this app is going to be, giving you tips and tricks. Now the question is the Disney Genie app going to replace the My Disney Experience? Now half of me says yes, half of me says no, because yes, it could be a paid app, that it can be a separate paid app from the My Disney Experience. As we do know, My Disney Experience, you can do dining reservations, you can do fast pass reservations, and you can check into your hotel and put your tickets in there and get photo pass and all of that. But the Disney Genie app will help you plan your trip. Now, what's the difference of the My Disney Experience and the Disney Genie? The My Disney Experience, of course, we know fast passes, photo passes, and check in and do dining reservations. And then the Disney Genie does similar things, but it also plans your day at Walt Disney World. Now, my guess is a way that Disney has been rumored doing a paid fast pass system like the one at Disneyland called Max Pass. Now, Disney is adding more attractions to Walt Disney World, and that's why I'm thinking this app is coming here so it can plan your day easier, but also it might be a way for Disney to program their paid fast pass system, as there's going to be more e-ticket attractions here at Walt Disney World. With everything that's coming to Walt Disney World, all the attractions like Guardians of the Galaxy, Ratatouille, Tron, Mickey's Runaway Railway, Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, we know that there's a lot of e-ticket attractions coming, so I'm guessing that Disney is setting this app for us to pay for fast passes if we go over the 3 fast passes. Now, Jose, what do you mean go over the 3 fast passes? Now, in the time of filming today, Disney does give you 3 free fast passes, but let's say Disney, if you want 4, 5, 6 fast passes and you go over the 3, you have to pay for your 4th or for your 5th or for your 6th because you're going over the limit that Disney gives you. So that can be another reason why they're creating this Disney Genie app. Also, it can replace the My Disney Experience, but another half of me says no. My Disney Experience might still be here to do your reservations, to go checking into your resort and checking all the information on your resort, but the Disney Genie, I think, will be a paid app as well as a separate app from the My Disney Experience. Now, here's the confusing part. It says the Disney Genie will also give you navigation through the parks, and the My Disney Experience already does that, and it will help you with fast passes, with reservations. Now, tips and tricks doesn't come with the My Disney Experience, but with the Disney Genie. So it is tricky if this will take over the My Disney Experience app, or it would not, and it would actually be a paid app that we have to pay further, and so it can plan our trips better, so you don't have to worry about anything when you are planning your Disney vacation. So let me know in the comments down below if you think the Genie app, the Disney Genie app, will take over the My Disney Experience, or it's going to be a totally separate app that we have to pay for. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll love to hear from you guys. Thank you guys for joining. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.